Good morning, good afternoon, good evening around the world. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Siraj, international public speaker and motivational speaker, life coach, as well as life skill trainer. Today I came up with different topic as I earlier mentioned. I'm coming on the day 24th of 5 p.m. Why goals are important in our life. Recently I met many people, those who want to do something in their life, but still they are finding challenge in their life. Why most people don't set their goals? What is the reason that they are not setting their goals? The four reasons I would like to express to you. First one is fear of failure. Second one, fear of rejection. Third one, fear of confidence, lack of less knowledge and what they are doing in that category. So I'm going to share you some of the points like what exactly goal in your life. Whenever you want to go somewhere in your life, for example, if you want to go a city, you will go and you will book first a ticket of any traveling vehicle. It may be bus or any other sources. After that, you will try to travel to reach your destination. But someone went railway station and asking ticket. That ticket counter, the person is asking where you want to go, but he's saying that somewhere, but I don't know exactly where I want to go. So there the problem came up. So you need to know where you want to go exactly in your life. So goal setting is very very important in your life. So always you need to keep goal setting. There are two ways to keep goal setting. First one is realistic. Always you need to be realistic whatever the goal is. Second one is specific. So whatever you want to do in your life, you need to be very specific in that goal. So there are two ways. Most of the members, they try to do in their life, but still they don't have proper plan. What the factors that are affecting to them is they are not keeping smart goal in their life. What is smart goal? A smart goal always teaches them how to keep proper timing, proper goal, proper action plan, and proper execution of plan, and how to do it. So there are some of the things you need to learn from this session. I want to say that many youth, even 84% of youth, they still confused in one survey what exactly they want in their life in the goal. And around millions of youth still they are confused what to do. Changing of goals also a big factor of failure. Many people they try to take some goal in their life. After that, they will change by others' opinion. The first opinion when you share to someone, you want to do something very different in their life. They said that it's impossible. They laugh on you. That is the point you need to understand. It is a good goal you have chosen, but someone is laughing on you. If you're not sharing something that is not really interesting or really not a big goal, then everyone think that it's so easy, then your goal is so small. So always remember that your goal should be clear enough whenever you go ahead. I would like to share one story of a person. Father and son always used to have conversation about the life. A son asked to his father, "Father, I want to go into the forest. I want to do something in the forest." Then exactly what is the goal he don't know. Then father said, "Okay, you can go and do something in the forest." Then he left for 15 days for the forest. After going to forest, he found many things in the forest. Then he don't know exactly what he need to do in the forest. There is no goal. There is no vision. There is no mission what to do. Then the question comes here. Always why factor is in your life, why you are doing something in your life, what you are doing in your life. So then 15 days completed, he came back from the forest and he asked his father, "I went to forest 15 days, but I don't find something relevant to do in your life, in my life." Then father said that, "Okay, always remember in your life, you need to have a goal. If you have a goal, then the time period exactly you will match with the specific area of what you need to do. For example, if you are going to collect apple in a forest, then how many days you are taking to pick the apple from the tree. After that, you are coming back. The period of time you have taken, the action plan you have applied to achieve apple, to reach out apple tree, and what strategies you made to achieve apple and reach back to home as early as possible in 15 days. So that is how a simple example I have given. So many members recently I have seen so many members confused with the goals, what to do in their life. So three things you need to remember to achieve your goals. First thing is you need to make short-term goal, and after that you need to make a mid-term goal. After that you need to decide what is your final goal. If you don't have goal in your life, then you are rotating around the circle, but you don't find exact destination where you want to stop yourself. So always remember the three things you need to do in your life. First thing is what is your short goal. Second thing is what is your mid-term goal. Third thing is what is your final goal. If you don't have clear vision for three goals, then you will be revolving around your life, entire life. After 40 years also still you don't have any goal, you will be living as simple as you survive in your life. So you need to have a proper goal in your life. For example, if you take a trainer in their life, first trainer will find proper job to survive in this society. It's a short term goal. After that he will find some good sources to earn. Like for example, if that person is getting 10,000 per month, then after 2 3 years, or if you take 5 years plan, then he is thinking to earn at least 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees. Then he achieved his midterm goal. After completing 5 years goal, he kept his 10-year goal that I want to establish my own company or I want to do any startup. Then that is called a final goal. For reaching final goal, you should start with your short-term goal. So this is the most failure part most of the people they do in their life. They want to do something different, they want to do something big in their life, but still don't find a good short-term goal in their life. They directly want to hit final goal and again they find failure. So always analyze yourself what is the short-term goal you are keeping. Like I always say weekly plan or monthly plan or 6 months plan or 1 year plan. You need to maintain a track sheet of yourself, then how your short-term goal is going in your life. For example, if you want to make a blueprint of your goal or if you want to make a blueprint of your career, then you need to start with a pen. Then take a good pen and start writing your short-term goal. Within 2 months, I want to learn a good language, I want to learn something skill that leads to my final destination. Then within 2 months you will complete a course, or you will keep yourself in that period of time. I have only 2 months time to complete that short term goal. Then you will keep your 100%. You will analyze how time is going on and how I need to utilize the time. Then you will keep an action on yourself. Always remember, your brain always wants something work to do. If you don't give work to your brain, then your thoughts you cannot control. Sometimes it wants enjoyment, sometimes it wants to go outside to spend time, sometimes it wants to be watching some entertainment around you. But if you give some work to your brain that within 2 months I want to learn something, then your brain will give 100% efforts, then you will achieve in 1 month. Then your short term goal completed. After short term goal, then you need to go with the mid-term goal. In mid-term goal, you need to decide within 6 months or 1 year what exactly you want to achieve in your life. Within 6 months, 1 year, if you achieve your mid-term goal, then plan for final goal. Simple example I'll tell you in that factor. If you want to purchase a car, then take a picture of car or scenery of your car and post on your cupboard. Whenever you wake up, just follow that one. If you want a dream job, that poster also you can keep on your cupboard. Whenever you wake up, just see the poster or the picture, then your brain hits that no, you want to do something in your life. I have only 2 months time, I want to do my short term goal. Then regularly you will be in attachment to do that. And so many people, they fear to express their goals. For example, if you want to purchase a car, you are not saying to anyone you are going to purchase a car. Someone, if you shared I want to purchase a car within 6 months, someone may laugh Your income is so low, how you will purchase a car? Then after 1 month he will meet you again and he will say that, where is your car? You said last month that you want to purchase a car. Then you will get a hit on your brain. Yeah, it is my goal that I want to purchase a car. Then other person reminds you by laughing on you. Don't take as a negative. For example, if you take a positive way, then you will need to understand that you want to do something. Action is required. Then you will make an action plan what to do exactly after that. After analyzing that your action plan is ready, then what is your first step? Always remember, in your life there is a turning point. What is the turning point? When someone hits you, someone laughs at you, that is your turning point. You need to take as a challenge in your life and you need to do that. Always, if you take a challenge in your life, then results automatically come to you. You will find, because you will keep 100% work on that to achieve your goal. So these are some of the things I shared to you. So today onwards, what is your exact thing is, make an action plan. Make 3 goals. One is short-term goal, mid-term goal, and final goal. That is long-term goal. If you don't have these in your life, then until now you are revolving around a circle. You're not stopping any, you don't have any destination in your life. So that's why I suggest you take a paper and pen and write down exactly what you want in your life. Many people, they do their life in their life because of others' opinion. Find out that what you want in your life, what exactly you are expecting from yourself, and what area of development you need to do in yourself so that you can achieve your goal. Until unless if you don't find your goal in your life, what to do exactly, then you're going to miss a lot of things in your life. Here, one thing you need to remember, a discipline comes in you that was not before. When you start on your action plan, then discipline automatically teaches you how to design your life. Then slowly you will focus on your work. Then slowly you will work step by step, baby steps on your goal. Then whatever you want in your life, it is going to find you in front of you. If a person is earning 10,000 per month, after 20 years you found same person, then you ask the salary, he is saying that 12,000 is my salary, 10 years already passed, I don't find anything in your life. That is the failure of goal. Someone found with 10,000 salary, within 3 years he is earning 50,000 salary plus one car and luxurious life. How it is possible? It is possible because he made goal that within 1 year I need to increase my salary, I need to increase my life in a luxurious way, I need to find some fundamentals in my life to do what exactly I'm lacking behind, what knowledge I need to gain, what skills are required to earn. These all factors come when you keep a proper plan of your life. So many people I have seen recently, I consulted 3-4 youth. They called me and said, sir, we want to make our career and we want to do something in our life. I asked them, what exactly you want in your life? They said, sir, whatever it may be, sir, you just suggest me, we are ready to do. This is the biggest question I'm finding many youth. They don't have proper goal. Only 3 to 4% people, they have exactly fixed goal in their life. And 30 to 20%, they have confused plan what to do exactly. Sometimes I'm finding this one good, someone is suggesting in my relatives, someone is suggesting in my neighborhood, someone is suggesting my brother, someone is suggesting by someone's friend, but exactly I don't know what to do. Then you need to find what is your area of development, what exactly you want from your life. These are the some of the things you need to focus. My main intention to do today's live is, many people, they are unable to find the goal setting. Please guys, remember, always keep goal setting. Make yourself a plan list, what you are doing exactly. One day you are spending but you didn't learn anything and you didn't have any plan, then you are wasting a lot of time. Focus on your goal, what exactly you want to do, and make a particulars how to do, and take help with the mentors and experienced people exactly how you reach your goal. And someone is developed or someone achieved that goal, you find that person, what your goal is matching to that person, then you need to connect with them. That is called a mentorship. Always keep a mentor in your life. That mentor teach you how to reach your short term goal, mid term goal, and long term goal. Then whenever you